This girl is so sweet. Damn!
Oh.
Osofo, please, I need some prayers to my husband.
For your husband?
Yes, he's so weak on women.
He's weak in women.
Yes.
Ouch! Arahata. So you mean you were born blind?
Yes. But who are you?
Oh, glory. Do you want to see?
And what sort of question is that? Who doesn't want to see?
Abiba. Jesus himself wore designer suits. You will beg not to be told.
So, I don't know. I just can't get my mind off.
My wife. People say my wife is very beautiful. And I want to see what it means. And other women too.
Oh, Barcelona Olympics. Oh, Arsenal. Oh, Manchester. Hey, Morino. Hey, put your hands together for Jesus. Hallelujah.
Osofo, please have this.
Are you very sure?
Osofo, take it. Please.
Yes, Lord. Abiba, hold on. Abiba.
Osofo.
Oh. An angel is telling me there is more there. He needs it.